Logic circuit. Logic circuit consists of mainly logic gates. Before studying these different types of logic gate or circuit, first we will study about what is the logic level and logic system. So first logic level. So now in this 0 and 1, only 0 and 1 are two logic levels. These are represent different condition. Let me take one example. Suppose we are taking one switch. Now if switch is closed, that means it is represented by one logic level. And if the switch is open, it is represented 0 logic level. So here we are taking another example for taking logic 0 level and logic 1. So suppose switch, that if it is in off condition, that means it represents logic 0. And if it is on, then it represents logic 1. For similarly lamp, it is in off condition. That time it shows off. Off, that means it represents logic 0. If ongoing, if it is in on, that's why it indicates logic 1. Door, if it is closed, then taken logic 0. If it is open, taken logic 1. And next is level. It is also most important. Now the level of the signal is low, that time we are taking as a logic 0. And if it is high, then it is taken as a logic 1. So these are the different example of the logic levels. Now next, what is logic system? So there are two different state of signal in the digital system, and it is represented by these two conditions. It is represented by low and high. These both levels are represented by 0 and 1 in digital system. So there are two types of logic systems are used. First, positive logic system, and second, negative logic system. In TTL circuit, 5 volt is used as a supply. So in positive logic system, 3 volt to 5 volt, 3 volt to 5 volt, it is taken as a logic 1, or you can say that high. And if the value of this voltage between 0 to 1, 0 volt to 1 volt is taken as a logic 0. So here it is 1. Now for similarly, in negative logic system, the voltage level between 3 volt to 5 volt, it is taken as a logic 0. And the value of 0 volt to 1 volt is taken as a logic 1. So it is a totally different. So it will very helpful to understand the different types of logic gates. Logic gates. Logic gate is a one circuit, and it has a one or more than one inputs and only one output. So it is most important. A logic gate, it has a one or more than one input and it has only one output. Now the output of this logic gate is logic 0 or logic 1, and it depends on the level which is given to the input of this gate. Then specific inputs is given to the logic gates, and accordingly it gives the output in the form of logic 1 or logic 0. Now there are different types of gates are used, like AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate, exclusive NOR gate, etc., etc. Now let me see one by one. So first, AND gate. Now this is the symbol of AND gate, and it has two inputs and one output. Now the output of this gate is 1 when all the inputs are 1. That means at logic 1, and that type gate is known as a AND gate. So any one of input becomes 0, then its output also becomes 0. So here we are providing one truth table. A and B are the input and Y is the output. So we can 0 0, that means output 0, input 0 1, output 0, input 1 0, output 0, and input 1 1, then output 1. Now this is the truth table for AND gate. And the Boolean expression, that means output expression, is given by y is equal to a into b. A multiplied to b. Now we can understand these logic levels or logic gate Boolean expression with the help of electrical equivalent circuit. Now we are taking one lamp which is connected to the battery supply through two-way switch. That means one is taken as an input A and another taken as an input B. So now it is connected in series because we require output only one at when both inputs are 1. It is most important. So now if both switch are on position 0, that means there is no current passing through this lamp and it will not turn on. So if it is 0 and if it is 1, output 0. Now both are 1, then both are 1 connected to this logic 1. For A input and B, the current is start to flow through this lamp and it will bright. So it is very easy. Now next, OR gate. Another gate, that is a OR gate. This is the symbol of this OR gate. It has also two inputs and one output. Now in this case, the output of this gate is 1 if both inputs are at one logic or 1 or any one out of them is 1. That means if any output out of 2, any output becomes 1 or both input becomes 1, then your output will be 1. Now if the both inputs becomes 0, then your output also becomes 0. Now this type of gate is known as a OR gate. So here we are providing truth table for this OR gate. When we are giving 0 0 input, then your output will be 0, and 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 1, 1 1 then 1. The Boolean expression for this OR gate is A plus B. A plus B, that means any out of these two input, any one input is 1, then output will be 1. So here let me see the electrical equivalent circuit. Here we are taking same supply and lamp, but here these two switches, these two-way switches are connected in parallel. That means each provide two paths for the flow of current in the circuit. So here these are input A and B. So if it is any one turn on, suppose A is at 1 and it is 0, then the current passing through this A level and lamp will bright or it is turned on. Now similarly here also, if both are present, the current is divided into two parts and this current is passing through this lamp and it is turned on. But if both are on 0 position, that means it is open circuit and there is no current passing through this lamp, which makes bulbs in off condition. Next, NOT gate. Now this gate is has only one input and one output. Now in this gate the output is a complementary of input. Already we have studied what is complementary. Complement, it is nothing but 1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 1. So here the output of NOT gate is complement of A input. So whatever input you are giving to this gate, you will get a reverse output. So input is 0, then output is 1. If input is 1, then output is 0. It is the truth table. So Boolean expression we can write y is equal to A bar. Bar indicates the complementary of the given input A. Now let me see understand its equivalent circuit. So here we are taking one transistor. So now when there is no input at this base terminal, that means there is no current passing through this collector circuit, so it is in off condition. That times you will get collector voltage is equal to plus VCC. So your output is equal to Y is equal to A bar. Now if the logic 1 or high voltage is given to this A terminal, the base current is start to flow through this base to emitter, junction and it will turn on the transistor. So current passing through this collector resistance which is connected in series with the collector. So all the voltage drops occurs across this collector resistance, and outputs of this collector of this collector terminal becomes 0. So here we can write, if we are giving A here, here y is equal to 0. If it is given 0, then y is equal to 1.